Hi, welcome to my shop. I'm Paolo Brada. Please remember to like, share and comment this video and subscribe to my channel.
Hi guys, the first thing to do is to remove the power supply, open it and clean the fan and the inside from dust. Brush the fan and blow the inside with the compressed air. Reassemble the power supply. Also clean the video card and the motherboard fan air, and if necessary use a toothpick. Don't use brushes or metal objects on the electrical parts to avoid damaging them. Okay guys, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel for don't miss the future videos.